Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here I am going to show you the vacancies from the National Institute of Technology, Delhi, and online interviews for various positions under SMDP, C2SD project purely on the contract basis, and applications for online interview for various positions are invited under the Special Manpower Development Program and Chip to System Design funded by the Ministry of Electronics and IT. And coming to the notes, here you can see that the candidates who are going to apply against the advertisement dated 26th October 2020 are requested to fill the Google form as well as send the filled application form, biodata and a copy of certificates at the email ID is provided on or before 30th November 2020. And the link for the Google form is provided here. So for your reference purpose, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. And coming to the designations, here the project associate one post is there, lab engineer one post, and the guest faculty one post is there. And the job requirement: assist in the execution of VLSI project, assist faculty members in planning and conducting of VLSI or embedded related UG lab class or the documentation work. Essential qualification is the BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering with minimum CGPA 6.5 and having the work experience in VLSI related software. The desirable is working knowledge in Unix or MATLAB or scripting, Cadence, Mentor Graphics, Synopsys, TCAD, etc. The consolidated salary is 20,000 rupees per month. And for the lab engineer, one post is there, hardware and VLSI software installation, BE or BTech in Electronics and Communication or Computer Science, ME or MTech in VLSI, design or microelectronics. It is a 34,000 rupees per month. And the guest faculty project, one post, execution of VLSI projects and teaching the VLSI embedded related course, and the PhD in the field of VLSI design or microelectronics. And the desirable is PhD in the field of VLSI and related subjects with publications, 40,000 rupees per month. And the duration of above post will be 6 months or date of completion of the project, whichever is earlier. And the candidates, if selected, for any of the above posts, may be deputed anywhere in India for attending workshops or meetings. So these are all the instructions, and there is no application fee, guys, here. The date of interview for the project associate December 5, lab engineer December 6, guest faculty December 12, and the interview will commence from 12 noon onwards. Okay, so it is an online interview as mentioned in the above, and the contact details are also mentioned here. Okay, and the application form is provided here. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET Paper 1, that is Teaching and Research Aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the Paper 2 is the Electronic Science. So the complete course for the Electronic Science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.